energy bars. I think that coal has frozen your circuits. Let's answer a letter. Dear Tim and Moby, I live in California. Where can I go to see latitude and longitude lines in my state? From Dale. You can't actually see latitude and longitude lines in real life. They're imaginary. We use them on maps and globes. They crisscross to form a grid over the Earth. And you can use this grid to pinpoint locations anywhere on the planet. Longitude lines run north-south. There are 360 of these imaginary lines, each of which is called a degree. You can remember which way they run because they're long for longitude. The 0-degree line, or prime meridian, runs through Greenwich, England. There was an observatory at Greenwich where British astronomers had been studying longitude. The rest of the world relied on their findings, so when it came time to name a prime meridian, scientists around the world agreed on Greenwich. There are 180-degree lines to the east and west of the prime meridian. If you are 77-degree lines to the west of the prime meridian, your longitudinal location would be 77 degrees west. Latitude lines run east-west. You can remember which way they run by thinking of them as rungs on a ladder. Latitude, ladder. 0 degrees latitude runs along the equator. There are 90-degree lines to the north and south of the equator. 90 degrees north is the North Pole, and 90 degrees south is the South Pole. Hey, let's map something. If you are located at 38 degrees north of the equator and 77 degrees west of the prime meridian, you're said to be at 38 degrees north, 77 degrees west. You write that like this. By the way, that's just about the location of Washington, D.C., but not exactly. Because the Earth is so big, there are a lot of miles between each degree of latitude and longitude. For more precise measurements, we use minutes and seconds. There are 60-minute lines between each degree of latitude and longitude. The precise coordinates for Washington, D.C. are 38 degrees, 53 minutes north, and 77 degrees, 2 minutes west. To get even more precise, there are 60-second lines for each minute line. Coordinates of 38 degrees, 53 minutes, 22 seconds north, and 77 degrees, 2 minutes, and 41 seconds west would be written like this. You could also just measure fractions of minutes with decimals instead of seconds, like this. And there you have it, latitude and longitude. You know, now that I think about it, even though you can't see them, you can use a GPS tracking device to figure out your coordinates. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. So let's see, we're at 60 degrees, 5 minutes, 22 seconds north, 159 degrees, 13 minutes, 10 seconds west. Hey, did you find those energy bars yet?